In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cams under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HP F650 Dash Cam. The HP Dash Cam F650 is a compact, front-facing car dashboard camera designed for capturing high-resolution 1080p Full HD video with a 2-inch LCD screen. It features a 150-degree wide-angle lens to minimize blind spots and capture more road details, while its loop recording function ensures continuous footage by overwriting old recordings. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, the camera automatically detects collisions and locks the footage as an event file to prevent overwriting. Powered by a durable supercapacitor, it operates reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The dashcam is easy to install with its adhesive mount and starts automatically with the car's engine. It includes accessories like electrostatic stickers, cord clips, a remover tool, and a car power supply with a mini USB connector. However, users need to prepare a Class 10 microSD card, not included, of at least 32 GB, formatted before first use. The SD card storage is partitioned for general videos, emergency videos, and reserved space. For extended storage capacity, a 64 GB or larger microSD card is recommended. Number 2. Rexing V1 Dash Cam. The Rexing V1 Dash Cam is a discrete, Ultra HD camera designed for cars, offering 2160p video resolution with a low-profile design that blends seamlessly into the vehicle. Equipped with a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and advanced wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, it captures clear and balanced footage in any lighting condition. The dashcam is powered by a durable supercapacitor, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures, -20 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, for enhanced reliability and longevity. It also features a parking monitor that activates recording upon detecting vibrations or enables 24/7 time-lapse recording with a smart hardwire kit. The device supports high-endurance microSD cards up to 256 GB and offers Wi-Fi connectivity for viewing, saving, and sharing recordings via a mobile app. Additional features include loop recording, which overwrites old footage when storage is full, and a G-sensor that locks videos in the event of a collision to prevent overwriting. The package includes the Rexing V1 dash camera, adhesive mount, in-car power cable, USB cable, and manual. Number 3. Vantrue E360 Dash Cam. The Vantrue E360 ACE is an advanced 360 degrees panoramic dashcam designed to provide comprehensive vehicle surveillance and versatile recording capabilities. Featuring dual IMX675 sensors with Starvis 2 technology, it captures 5.2K panoramic footage, 210 degrees front and inside view, and 2.7K rear view, ensuring no blind spots. It excels in low-light conditions with HDR, 8IR night vision, and image stabilization. The device supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads and a dual-system GPS logger for precise location, speed, and driving route data, useful for insurance claims. Its 24/7 buffered parking mode records suspicious activity with 10-second pre-recording, while smart voice and touch controls enable hands-free operation in multiple languages. The camera can also transform into a handheld action camera for versatile recording scenarios like travel or outdoor activities. Additional features include a 1.5-foot IPS touchscreen, easy installation with a magnetic mount, optional LTE live monitoring, and compatibility with the Vantrue app for video editing and sharing. Number 4. Rexing V1P 4K Car Dash Cam. The Rexing V1P dash camera is a discreetly designed, dual-channel recording device ideal for cars, featuring a low-profile build that keeps it unobtrusive. It includes both a front and a rear camera, allowing for comprehensive coverage with Full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, supported by a wide dynamic range for optimal performance in varying lighting conditions. Its 170-degree field of view ensures a broad perspective, while features like loop recording automatically overwrite old footage when storage is full, supporting microSD cards up to 256 GB, UHSI Class 10 or higher. Additionally, the built-in G-sensor detects collisions and locks critical footage to prevent overwriting, while the parking monitor offers 24-hour protection. Connectivity via Wi-Fi and night vision further enhance its functionality, making it a reliable and versatile dashcam solution. Number 5. Vantrue E1 Dash Cam. The Vantrue Element 1 is a compact yet powerful dashcam designed for a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, minivans, and buses. It features a high-resolution video capture of up to 2.7K, 2592x1944p, and 1080p at 60 frames per second, with Starvis technology, HDR, and an f1.8 aperture lens for enhanced night vision and crystal-clear image quality. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and a mobile app, users can preview live footage, download videos, track GPS data, and share content seamlessly across platforms like YouTube and Facebook. The dashcam includes GPS for route, location, and speed tracking, along with hands-free voice control in multiple languages for convenient operation. A 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and motion sensors ensures vehicle safety while parked. Additional features include a G-sensor for locking emergency videos, a wireless controller for quick access, a supercapacitor for extreme weather durability, loop recording, time-lapse recording, and support for up to 512 GB memory cards, sold separately. Easy to install with a magnetic mount and USB Type-C connectivity, the Vantrue Element 1 offers reliability and peace of mind, backed by an 18-month warranty.